Does the Green Jacket Tactile need an introduction? The original Green Jacket Tactile was introduced in June of 2022. Unlike their linear counterpart, these remain unchanged since the original drop. Expect these to be lightly lubed from the factory with a very short travel with extra sharp tactility. Fair warning, I am part of the linear gang, but I will do my best to describe what I feel along with give you a good sound test of the switch and recommendation at the end. I would also like to say these switches were sent to me for review, however all opinions are my own and in no way altered or steered in a certain direction. The KNC Keys Green Jacket Tactile is described as a long pole tactile with a sharp tactile bump. Let's go over the specs and see what materials they're made of. They have a nylon bottom housing, an HPE top housing, a 13.9mm extra long POM stem with a sharp tactile bump, and a snappy 63.5 gram double stage spring. Of course, these come factory lubed from their manufacturer, which is Tecsee. Let's get them in my mode Envoy and see how they sound. However, before we do this, please remember to like this video and subscribe. It's free. Also, don't forget to mention in the comments how you would like for me to improve my videos in the future. Now the section I think you've all been waiting for. What do I like about this switch? Well, for one, I'm a sucker for a clacky switch, and these switches do check that box. When installed and typed on, I did not notice any weird crunches or pings from either the springs or leaves. I would recommend relubing these as they are very lightly lubed from the factory, and it never hurts to relube a factory lube switch. I would say overall, if you like a sharp tactile bump with a very short travel, I would recommend these switches to you. This leads me to what I would think not many people are going to like about these switches, and it's the very short total travel. It is very short, and I mean you instantly feel the tactile bump along with immediately feeling the bottom out afterwards. As everything in this hobby, it's all about a preference. Do I prefer a super short travel switch? No, I don't. Some others will, of course. There's absolutely nothing wrong with these switches, and I encourage you to either try these or buy these if you like what you see and hear in this video, and if you're looking for that extra long tactile with a sharp bump. As always, I appreciate you watching the video, and if you want more info about these switches, you can check the description where I will include a link along with a coupon code. As always, have a great week. Bokeh Bob out.